December is just around the corner. The Wandering Warriors are gearing up for the Yelapa Experience Retreat, taking place in Yelapa, Mexico, December 5th through the 12th. Please join us to explore and restore your body, mind, and spirit after a long hiatus. For only the month of September, we are offering a one-time discount off of the registration, which includes the room, meals, and the retreat. We are offering 10% off if you sign up in September. Simply go to the website wanderingwarriorwithin.com and click on Rooms and Registration. Choose the room you want and 10% off regardless of the price of the room. Just let us know which room you want and let us know, and we'll arrange the payment and the discount. As an example, when you go to the registration and the rooms and you see them, rooms 3, 5, 9, and 12 are open air with 2 queen beds, private bathroom, and an ocean view, and they go quickly. So with the 10% discount, it's $177.50 off. Rooms 4 and 10 are enclosed with 2 queen beds, private bathroom, and air conditioning, and with a 10% discount is $188 off. And finally, room 8 is a beautiful suite, enclosed large room with a king and a queen bed, a balcony, and kitchenette. With a 10% discount is $198 off. So please, for the month of September, sign up and you will get 10% discount off. We can't wait to have you come to Yelapa, Mexico, the magical place to restore and explore.